Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Unboxed with Gaming Freak. Today we're going to be looking at one of our new keyboards, the SHK-87. Now this keyboard has 87 keys, no numpad, very compact, a membrane keyboard, and also RGB with effect modes. So guys, this keyboard is going for only about RM 89 ringgit, and you can DM us so we can redirect you to the closest dealer that picks up this keyboard and you can buy it for yourself. So in this episode, we're going to be doing the usual unboxing, some glam shots, and also looking at the effects on this keyboard. So stay tuned and let's get into it. Okay guys, so we have the box here, as you can see. So we got the black and red packaging. This is our updated look. You can see it looks very sleek, very updated and modern. There you go. You have all the information right here on the back of the box. You have the diagram of the keyboard itself on the front. So let's go ahead and open up this puppy. Inside, we have the keyboard. We have the instruction manual here with all the functions, and also it folds out into the user manual, if you can see there. So we're going to put that aside, and this is the keyboard itself. Let's take it out. So okay guys, this is the keyboard itself. As you can see, it's very compact. This one is an 87 key keyboard. Obviously the numpad is non-existent on this keyboard, but you can see that it has this very light and compact build. We really had gamers who are on the go, or also gamers who have tight space in mind when we were developing this product. So it also uses membrane technology, which is something that is very interesting when it comes to gaming, because it has like a dampening effect. It is really like the opposite of a mechanical, where it rather than making clicking, harsh sounds, it absorbs the sound and has this smooth input feedback when you're typing on it. As you can see, it's very silent. It still has that feel though. There you go. And then we have this matte finish on the keyboard itself. Alright, so as I mentioned before, this keyboard has RGB with also multiple effect modes that you can see from this side. So we're going to plug it in and test out those effects. So okay guys, here is the SHK-87 fully lit up. Now let's explore some of the modes we have on this keyboard. As you can see, this is the wave mode. It does across the keyboard multiple colors, 7 colors to be exact. The way we change that is that we press FN, the function keys. Throughout insert, home, page up, delete, and page down, we have all the modes within that region right here. So this is the first one. This is the wave mode. You have where it's a smooth, sort of like transitioning style. Then you have another where it's like flashing. Now keep in mind, you can change the speed of the effects with these two buttons here, the left and right arrow key. While pressing FN, you can slow it down. So it's a lot slower now. And if we press to the left, we can make it go faster. Look at that, it's insane. On to the colors actually. We have 7 colors on this keyboard. So we have cyan, white, red, blue, green, purple, yellow, and back again to cyan. So that's 7 colors for you to choose from. This is another mode where it's like transitioning as well. It's sort of like the wave but with single colors, as you can see. So it does like a transitional effect. And then another mode where it does flashing effect. It changes between colors, but you can actually have it set to one color where it flashes only on one. So it is yellow. We can get it to flash on yellow only. And obviously we can change the speed. This is the fastest. And we can go slower to have it sort of like ease into it. See? That's very slight. Wow, that's really super slow. So another interesting thing I want to talk about this keyboard is that the fact that it has 5-section customization on the keyboard. So you get 5 sections of the keyboard you can customize the color of the LED to according to which location it is. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across the keyboard. These colors are interchangeable. So how you do that is, first you press FN and page up to enter this mode, and then you press it again to enter the customization mode. So you'll have the indicators here flashing that you're in the customization mode. And then to customize the sections, you press FN and number 1 until 5 to make the changes within these sections. So as you can see, so it can change between any of the 7 colors. So there, that's super cool. Look at that. So you get your very own custom sort of like color mesh on your keyboard on the SHK-87, and I think that's super cool. To exit the mode, you press FN and page up again. So now you're in the mode. You can have up to 5 of these modes stored directly on this keyboard. And also, if you guys were wondering, for those of you who sleep with your computer in your room, you can turn off the LED by hitting FN and page down. It'll immediately go away. So alright guys, we're gonna head into the glam shots and show you the true beauty of the SHK-87.
This is a homage beat.
So thank you so much guys for watching. If you are interested in this keyboard, please DM us your details so we can redirect you to the closest dealer. Like I said before, only going for RM 89 ringgit at MSRP. So guys, if you enjoyed this video again, please like this Facebook post. If you're on YouTube, please subscribe. Also check out our social media platform at Instagram, Gaming Freak Malaysia, also on the Facebook, Gaming Freak Malaysia. This has been Aiman Zamir for Gaming Freak. See you in the next one.